Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll and find home screen and lock screen. Then let's tap on the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. What is more, here we've got two different albums, so My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or Recently Used. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to simply tap on it, so let me pick this one. Of course, give all the permissions. And as you can see, you can replace the wallpaper just by swiping them. Unfortunately, in this wallpaper we cannot do it. Let's tap on scroll maybe, and as you can see right now we can change it. However, I don't want to use it that way. You can check the preview, so how it will look like, and if you're happy with your choice, you can simply tap on done and it will be set on the home screen or on both, so also the lock screen, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.